This is the Sistema noodle bowl, but of course you can do anything you wish in there. This is like builder's ramen, but it's a fantastic shape and size for anything. So we use tons of Sistema in our house, which is our gold standard of plasticware. I do a lot of cooking. There's always lots of leftovers, either unplanned or planned, and these are perfect. So these are BPA free. They can go in the fridge, freezer, dishwasher and microwave, and they're perfect for all your leftovers and cooking. These ones here, they are billed as ramen, but what you would do is if you wanted to cook ramen in there, you would just take the lid off, put your ramen in there, hot water, put the lid on, put your seasoning on, lid on, open the vent, which is very important for safety, just to release that, and about 3 minutes and your ramen's done. So you can make a nice ramen soup really easily. Maybe you're a student, maybe you like to eat on the go, maybe you take your lunch to work. This is going to be really handy. Like I said, if you can also freeze things, so if maybe, for example, you've been given the task of bringing something to a meal, you want to prep it the week before and just defrost it, you can. It'd be really good to cook a little cake in here, actually, if you want to do a microwave cake. We love Sistema in our house. It holds up really well. There's no issues with it warping or anything strange. It does come in loads of different colours. I think I've got this one in red as well, and I think I've seen it in like a lighter blue. But yeah, they're really awesome. All you do is pop your food in there, cook it or warm it as you enjoy. Or if you're going to pop it in the fridge or freezer, just put the lid on, clasp it nice and shut for safety. And if you're going to put it in the fridge or freezer, close the vent. But if you're going to warm it up, open the vent up just so it doesn't build up pressure in there. And yeah, fabulous little stuff. Sistema do tons of different things, so take a look around and find something that's right for you. But overall, you can't go wrong. It's absolutely fabulous.